Ever hit full screen on YouTube and suddenly your video looks stretched, blurry, or just something is wrong with it? It's like trying to watch a movie through a partial blindfold. Don't worry, YouTube has settings that can make full screen viewing smooth and perfect. In today's video, I'll show you why getting it right matters and exactly how to set it up so every video looks amazing. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your YouTube app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon on the top right. Scroll down and under Video and Audio Preferences, tap on Playback. Toggle the option on for Zoom to Fill Screen. This ensures that the zoom is always on so that the videos you watch on YouTube fills the screen in full screen for the best viewing experience. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.